My wife and I went to Las Vegas at the wedding anniversary. That was so great! That's almost the end of the year, so people looked so excited. Hey, what's good, what's good? It's Future Flow here today again. And from the previous video, I just explained how to record your voice on the video track. So if you follow my instruction as well, you can get some result like this. I just turned on what I prepared. This is a video file and this is a background music, and these I clicked is my voice. So it is well mixed up. Let's go. My wife and I went to Las Vegas at the wedding anniversary. That was so great. That's almost the end of the year, so people look so excited. Yeah, but the problem I faced is that my voice recorded and the background music conflict each other. When I say something on this audio channel, when I say something in the middle of the video, the background music needs to be turned down a bit. But if I do narration a lot here and there, and then it's really difficult to control the volume sound so many ways. To make this problem quicker and better and faster, let me tell you how to use the duck effect system. So first of all, you click all the voices you recorded. You can just hold the shift button, and then you can click the multiple pieces of audio files like this, and then you go to audio file, and then what you need to do is need to be linked as a dialogue. So here I usually go with the preset as a podcast voice. If I click it, my voice a little bit actually modified. You can check it out. My wife and I went to Las Vegas at the wedding anniversary. That was so great. That's almost the end of the year, so people look so excited. See that? My voice sounds a little bit better than before. So the next step you need to do is you click your background music, and then you click again with not just for the dialogue but the music here. So there's a ducking box here, so you can just click it here, and there's some more explanation below, and duck against this icon. So as you know that I just click my voice recorded as a dialogue, so which means that whenever my background music face my dialogues here, that this part needs to be turned down automatically. So this is how to use the ducking effect as well. So after clicking here, you just click lastly generate keyframe. Then see that there are decibels actually turned down a bit. So let's listen how it goes, okay? My wife and I went to Las Vegas at the wedding anniversary. That was so great. That's almost the end of the year, so people looked so excited. Yes, the period my voice pops up, and this period, the background music sounds is a little bit turned down to listen to my voice as well. So this is how to use the ducking sound. So when you do some narration on your video file, I highly recommend to use this ducking effect function. So that's it. So this is very easy, right? I hope that you can use this ducking effect on your video clip as well. I'm going to prepare some informative function and tips for the Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.